Peace be upon you. Many times we encounter situations where the device overheats or becomes slow, especially on Android devices. The truth is, there are various and multiple reasons for this, but one of the main causes is the presence of cache memory. There are many programs and applications on Android devices that clear and clean the cache space, making the device faster and better in performance. The application we have today is called Zero Cleaner. Of course, if we take a quick look at it on the store, it's called Zero Cleaner Clear Cache, as you can see in front of you. Its ratings are very high and excellent, honestly, and many people praise it. Let's open the application. As soon as you open it, the following main screen appears. Of course, the problem with the app is that the free version is full of ads, and there is a paid version, but if you are using the free version, the best recommendation for you is to put your device in airplane mode like this. By enabling airplane mode, you can get rid of these ads while using the app. Let's go back to the device and open the app again. You'll notice that the ads are gone, and now we have the freedom to use the app without the annoyance of ads. Of course, this is the main interface. As you can see, the number is clearly displayed, 281 MB. This is the size of the cache that should be deleted from the device. Of course, this number will vary from one device to another. You might see a higher number or a lower one, maybe 1 gigabyte, maybe 2 gigabytes. It all depends on how you use your device and its usage history. This main screen will show you the most important analytics. And here in this section, it shows you all the applications stored on your device, along with the exact amount of memory each app is using. For example, Chrome is using 250 MB of cache memory, and YouTube is using 34 MB. These are among the apps that consume the most resources on the device. The third section, labeled More, doesn't have anything, just some basic settings. You have, let's say, the settings. For example, if you want to change the device's theme, maybe you prefer dark mode, or you want to keep it on the system default, which is the standard mode of the device. So it's best to just leave it on its default setting. Now, let's go back to the home screen again and use the Analyze button, the blue one you see in front of you. We press it so that it analyzes the device's resources, as you can see right now. The cache consists of 15 apps with a total data size of 281 MB. This is the current situation on my device. We perform the clear operation by pressing the button in the lower corner. It gives you two options. Do you want it to be manual or automatic? In other words, if you select manual now, does that mean you will open the device yourself and delete the data from within the app? Of course, opening each app one by one and deleting the data is a complicated process. It's better to leave it on automatic, which is its current default setting. We start the process, and as you can see, it begins to go through the apps we have and clears the cache memory from each app one by one. The number at the bottom counts from a total of 15 apps. For example, it has reached app number 6, and it keeps counting until the cache clearing process is completely finished. Now we just wait until the wiping process is finished. After that, we'll check the device's speed, meaning after the cleaning process, we just wait a bit. It's almost done now. It shows you that 280 MB have been cleared. That means 280 MB have been wiped from the device's memory. We press the button at the bottom which says done, and after that, that's it. Tells you that everything is good to go. This way you've cleared most of the cache memory on your device, and now your device is free from unnecessary cache that causes slowdowns when using it. You will definitely notice the difference before and after using it. There are many apps for clearing cache, but I found this one to be the best, fastest, and lightest app you can use for cleaning cache memory on Android devices. If you enjoyed this video, please support us with a like and a subscription. Thank you so much for watching.